Good morning everyone. Good morning ma'am. I am Soumya and today my seminar topic is security engineering analysis. And here are the contents. Introduction, what is security engineering, real world examples, important security analysis, advantages and conclusion. Introduction. Today's for security engineering must be concerned for software engineering who has client resource to product. In today's world, security engineers must be concerned for every software engineer because software engineer has client resource. So that security engineers are protect their client resource from unauthorized access. And next, security engineers are build systems and security engineers are monitor security controls to protect an organization data from cyber attacks, loss or unauthorized access. Next, what is security engineering? Security engineers build a system and the system have ability to protect their asset from attack. Asset is nothing but data valuable things. It includes programs, files and database information and memory space. And next, security engineering is all about safeguarding the data and system from potential risk and threats. Next, security is essential for software quality factors such as integrity, availability, reliability and safety. Integrity is nothing but the data does not change, and availability is the data is available at any time. Reliability means trustworthy, and safety, the data is secure. Next, here the real world examples of successful security engineering analysis. First one is banking sector, next IoT, Internet of Things, and next healthcare industry. In this banking sector, customer data is present in the banking sector. So security engineers are protecting sensitive customer data and preventing unauthorized access. Next, Internet of Things. Security engineers are ensuring the security of interconnected devices and networks. Interconnected devices are nothing but physical objects. Example, mobile phone, laptop, etc. And next, healthcare industry. In this, security engineers are safeguarding the patient information and system from cyber threats. Next, importance of security engineering analysis. In today's digital landscape where cyber threats are on the rise, so security engineers are crucial for protecting sensitive customer data and preventing unauthorized access and mitigating vulnerabilities and respond back to the cyber attacks. And here are the importance of data security. Security engineers are safeguarding sensitive information and mitigating risk and vulnerabilities. Mitigating is nothing but reducing. Vulnerabilities is nothing but susceptible to harm. Next, maintaining customer trust and loyalty and compliance with regulation. Security engineers are following some rules and regulations to protect their data. Next, security analysis. In this security analysis, we have security requirement elicitation. It involves gathering the security requirements for a system or a software, and this process helps to identify the necessary security features and functionalities and constraints. And next one is security modeling. It involves creating the models and analyzing the design of a software system aspect, and it helps in identify potential security risks and vulnerabilities. Measure designs are protect and ensure the safety and security of physical asset, individual and overall environment. And in this physical security implements measures like CCTV, access control system and prevent unauthorized access and misuse. Next one is network security. Firewall, intrusion detection system, and it is a software system. It is control the network and secure Wi-Fi, networking monitoring and application security. In this, secure coding practices and input validation and error handling and security testing. Next, advantages. Advantages are it helps to protect computer systems from potential threats and vulnerabilities, and it prevents unauthorized access and other security incidents. And next, security engineering analysis keep your computer system safe and protects your data. And the final conclusion is security engineers are identify threats and vulnerabilities, and security engineers are identify risk and safeguard data and helps to use security resource effectively. Thank you.